Hello students. Yesterday we had already studied about the properties of triangles, and in these properties of triangles we had studied already the ratio of the areas of two triangles. And the first property we had studied that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and the corresponding heights. That means yesterday we had already studied that if these are the two triangles, this is first triangle and this is another triangle. Here it is perpendicular A, B, C. This is first triangle. P, Q, R. This is another triangle. These are the heights, we can say. This is AD and this is PS. Therefore, we can write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, it is the ratio of the product of corresponding bases. इसका बेस BC है, इसका बेस QR है, and the corresponding heights, इसकी height AD है and here the height is PS. So already we had studied this concept yesterday. Today we are going to study the same next concept, and that is if the bases are same, then what will be the ratio of the two triangles, areas of two triangles, and if the heights are same, then what is the ratio of the areas of two triangles. Now second concept, ratio of areas of two triangles, and the first case is if their bases are same. Now see here, I am drawing here two triangles. This is the first triangle ABC and this is second triangle PBC. The height of this first triangle is here AD and the height of this second triangle, it is PS. If their bases are same, अगर ये दोनों भी ट्राइंगल के बेसिस सेम रहेंगे तो ये ट्राइंगल है ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल PBC, ये दोनों ट्राइंगल में उनके बेसिस सेम है. अगर इनके बेसिस सेम है तो क्या करना है, यहाँ पे ये है उसकी हाइट H एंड दिस इज हाइट H in these two triangles. Therefore in triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base, base क्या है BC, into height, height क्या है AD. And what is the area of this triangle PBC? Area of triangle PBC is equal to half into base, base है BC, height है PS. But here we have to study the property regarding the ratio of the areas, and therefore the ratio we can say of triangle, areas of triangles ABC upon area of triangle PBC is equal to half into BC into AD upon half into BC into PS. ये हाफ हाफ कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये BC BC भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, and what we are getting here, this is nothing but AD upon PS. And what is this AD upon PS? This AD upon PS is nothing but AD is the height of this outer triangle ABC and PS is the height of this inner triangle PBC. That means we can say here the ratio of the areas of two triangles. ये triangles कैसे हैं? ये दोनों भी triangles के basis सेम हैं. Therefore, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. ये है height, ये है height of second triangle. तो and this concept is very important. Yesterday we had studied, यहाँ पे base भी same नहीं थे, heights भी same नहीं थे. This concept already we had completed yesterday. And this concept now we had studied that if the bases of the triangles are same, then what is the case? Here in this case half तो cancel होता है, यहाँ पे भी, लेकिन यहाँ पे product of base and corresponding height आ रहा है. यहाँ पे भी same आता है, लेकिन base अगर same होगा तो it is proportional to their corresponding heights. And therefore this is the second property. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights if bases are same. अब हमें थर्ड कंसेप्ट स्टडी करनी है, एंड दैट इज यहाँ पे बेसिस सेम थे, अब हमें ये दोनों भी ट्रायंगल्स के हाइट्स सेम करना है. अगर ये दोनों भी ट्रायंगल के हाइट्स अगर सेम होते तो क्या होगा? दैट इज द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ द ट्रायंगल्स. एंड सी हियर, if the heights are same. Now I am drawing here two triangles. This is first triangle. This is A, B, C. Height of this first triangle we can say. And this is second triangle. P, Q, R. If the heights are same, that means here this is AD and this is PS. Here AD is equal to PS is equal to H. The heights of these two triangles are same. Then what is the ratio of the corresponding areas of the triangles? This we are going to study now. Now see here, therefore, what is the area of this triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Base है BC, height है H. We can say actually it is AD, but here it is denoted by H. And area of triangle PQR is equal to also half into base into height. Here height is PS, but we are denoting it by H. So these are the formula to find the areas. Now we have to find their ratio. Now how to find it? Therefore the ratio of their areas, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, this is equal to half into BC into H, half into QR into H. H cancel हो जाएगा, half also get cancelled, and here resultant we are getting, this is equal to BC upon QR. Now what is BC? BC is the base of first triangle. What is QR? QR is the base of second triangle. That means in other words, yeah, in word form we can say the ratio of areas of two triangles. कैसे triangles है कि दोनों के height same है. If the heights of these two triangles are same, if the heights are same, then the ratio of the areas of these triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases, BC and QR. BC is the base of first triangle, QR is the base of second triangle. It is nothing but the ratio of corresponding bases. That means here we had studied three properties. पहले property में देखा हमने कि the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and their corresponding heights. वहाँ पे बेस भी अलग थे, हाइट्स भी अलग थे. ये फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी हमने स्टडी की. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी में क्या किया हमने? बेस सेम किए. अगर बेस सेम है तो करस्पॉन्डिंग ये हाइट से रिलेटेड होगा. दैट मीन्स इट इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू द करस्पॉन्डिंग एरियाज ऑफ द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर proportional to their corresponding heights. If the bases of two triangles are same, then the ratio of the corresponding areas, the ratio of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. And third property, if the heights of two triangles are same, then the ratio of the areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. These are the three properties we had already completed here, and this is all about the ratio of areas of triangles. Now here some of the activities given here on page number 3, and what is that activity? See here. Here see what is given here. This is the figure given, and we have to fill in the blanks here. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APQ, that is equal to, what is the area of this triangle ABC? This is area of triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. In this triangle, BC is the base and AR is the height. तो we know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. तो according to क्या होगा? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base. Base क्या है? ABC triangle का base है BC और इसकी height क्या है? This height is AR, and therefore we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Similarly, area of triangle APQ. Now what is this area of triangle APQ? APQ is equal to, this is also half into base into height. APQ, ये जो ट्रायंगल है, ये ट्रायंगल का बेस है ये PQ और हाइट सेम हो गई AR. That means here we can write बेस क्या होगा इसका? It is PQ. हाइट क्या होगी? It is AR. तो these are the formulae to find the areas of these corresponding triangles. But here what is asked? It is asked here the ratio of the areas of this triangle ABC and the triangle APQ. So what it will be? And therefore we can write here this is equal to half into BC into AR. Here also half into PQ into AR. Now see here, this half gets cancelled. Similarly, this AR and this AR also get cancelled, and what remains here? This is nothing but it is equal to BC upon PQ. And what is this? This is nothing but these are the two triangles ABC. First triangle APQ, second triangle AR is the common height. That means height is same. Our third property, that the height of the two triangles are same, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. This is the application of our properties, and in this way we have to solve the sum of the sums. Similarly, one more property is given here on page number 3. You can solve this property at home. Please do this at home, otherwise we will discuss in next lecture. This is all about your properties related. Now we are going to start the first exercise, exercise 1.1. And the first question here, this is given here on board. This is the first question. Exercise 1.1, and this is the first question. Now see what is question given. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. See here, this is triangle ABC. The base of this triangle is 9 we can say, and this height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10. Another triangle is there, here PQR is another triangle. Base of it is 10 and height is 6. So instead of writing here, we can write this 9 as this BC and this 10 as, तो पहला जो ट्रायंगल है उसका बेस 9 है, हाइट 5 है. दूसरा जो ट्रायंगल है वो ट्रायंगल का बेस 10 है, हाइट 6 है. And what is asked? फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ दीज ट्रायंगल्स। ये दोनों जो ट्रायंगल्स है उनके रेशियो फाइंड करने हैं। अब कैसे करना है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ सम दिया था, फिगर्स दिए नहीं थे, तो फिगर्स हमने हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए निकाले हैं। तो अगर फिगर्स निकालते हैं तो वो फिगर का डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखना बहुत ही जरूरी होता है। तो लेट्स फर्स्ट राइट द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द फिगर। व्हाट वी हैव ड्रॉन हियर, टू ट्रायंगल्स आर ड्रॉन, और वो ट्रायंगल्स में कौन से साइड कितने लेंथ की है, दैट आल्सो वी हैव टू स्पेसिफाई। हियर इन ट्रायंगल ABC, base BC is equal to 9 and height AD is equal to 5। ये हो गया फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल का डिस्क्रिप्शन। सिमिलरली इन ट्रायंगल PQR, बेस क्या है, बेस QR इज इक्वल टू 10। यहाँ पे इक्वल टू लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा। एंड हियर बेस QR 10 एंड हाइट क्या है, PS है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 6। तो ये ट्रायंगल और ये ट्रायंगल दोनों की इंफॉर्मेशन होगी। ट्रायंगल ABC में बेस है BC दैट इज इक्वल टू 9 एंड हाइट AD इज इक्वल टू 5। इन ट्रायंगल PQR बेस इज 10, QR that is base 10 and this height is PS, this is nothing but 6. The description of these two triangles is over. Now what is asked, we have to find the ratio of areas of these triangles. पहले हमें रेशियो फाइंड करने के लिए पहले हमें उनके एरियाज फाइंड करने जरूरी है। Therefore area of triangle ABC, या directly we can write by the using property of ratio of triangles, we can ratio of areas of two triangles. So we can directly write here by the property of ratio of areas of two triangles। क्या लिखा हमने, बाय द प्रॉपर्टी। पहली प्रॉपर्टी हमने स्टडी की है कि यहाँ पे दोनों अलग अलग है, बेस और इनके बेसिस सेम नहीं है, हाइट्स भी सेम नहीं है, दैट मीन्स बोथ आर different and therefore here we have to use the first property. What is the first property? The first property states that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their corresponding bases and corresponding heights. तो यहाँ पे हमें वही प्रॉपर्टी लिखना है, by the property of ratio of areas of these two triangles we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, क्या होगा, it is equal to product of their corresponding, it is the ratio of BC into AD, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, QR into PS। तो what is equal to this, and this is I'm continuing here, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is BC? BC is 9. What is AD? It is 5. And here in this case QR is 10 and this is 6. Now simplify this and whatever you are getting, that will be your final answer. If we simplify, 5 1s are 5 2s are, 3 2s are and 3 3s are. This is nothing but 3 upon 4. And therefore what is asked? Find the ratio of areas of the two triangles. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 upon 4 we can write, or this ratio we can write as 3:4 also. This is equal to 3:4. But the question is not asked to find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. What is question asked? Question is asked, find the ratio of areas of the given triangles, and therefore we have to write this answer in word form. See here, I am writing what is the answer exactly. I am writing here. Therefore, the ratio of areas of given two triangles is equal to 3/4 or 3:4. What is this? Actually, see here. ये दोनों ट्रायंगल हमने ड्रॉ किए थे फॉर द सिंप्लिसिटी ऑफ कैलकुलेशन, बट व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली आस्क्ड in the question it is already asked find the ratio of the areas of the two triangles, that means given triangles, and therefore here as an answer we have to write the ratio of areas of given two triangles is equal to हमारा answer 3/4 है, or we can say in other words 3:4. So this is the first method. In other way also we can solve this same example. So this is all about this method. Now second method we are going to study here. Now what is the second method? सेकेंड मेथड से आपको क्या क्या दिया था? बेस दिया था, पहला बेस था 9, दूसरा बेस था 10. From the given information, the base and height of first triangle are, let b1 is equal to 9 and h1 is equal to 5. Similarly, the base and height of another triangle are b2 is equal to 10 and h2 is equal to 6. ये तो ऑलरेडी आपको दिया है, यही इंफॉर्मेशन में दिया है. Therefore directly we can write, therefore by the property of ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to, it is the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and b2 into h2. ये तो हमारी प्रॉपर्टी थी पहली, base of first triangle upon base of second triangle into height of first triangle in upon height of second triangle. Yeah, it is the product of base and height of first triangle and height of height and base and height of second triangle. So this is we had already studied, and therefore we can write here, this is nothing but, what is b1? b1 is 9, this is 5, this is 10 and it is 6, and whatever after simplification we are getting, this is equal to, or we can write this is equal to 3:4. This is all about your answer. What is given? यही सिंपल मेथड है, लेकिन डायरेक्टली हमें कुछ चीजें लिखनी पड़ती हैं. तो द बेस एंड हाइट ऑफ फर्स्ट ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू b1 एंड h1 हम लोगों ने असाइन किए. b1 9 है, h1 5 है. सेकेंड ट्रायंगल के लिए B2 एंड H2 आर दी बेस एंड हाइट्स. B2 10 असाइन किया, हाइट H2 6 असाइन किया. And therefore the property of bases of two triangles, we write here the ratio of areas of two triangles is nothing but it is the ratio of the product of the corresponding bases and heights, and that is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is nothing but whatever the given values here we have to put, and after simplification we are getting this is equal to 3/4. Now see here, second example, what is given? This figure is given to you, and in this figure what is given? BC is perpendicular to AB. This BC is perpendicular to AB. AD is perpendicular to AB. AD is also perpendicular to AB. BC is equal to 4 and AD is equal to 8. This information is given to you, and here we have to find the ratio of the areas of these two triangles. Which triangles are given? Ratio of these areas. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADB. Now, in first lecture, I told that if right angle triangle is given, then we can find here. Suppose ये हमारा right angle triangle है, ये triangle का base है, ये समझो BC ABC है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Area of triangle ABC is equal to, क्या होगा? It is equal to half into base क्या होगी इसकी? BC और height क्या होगी? AB. तो ये दोनों हम लिख सकते हैं. ये तो ऑलरेडी आपको पता है. तो इन द सेम वे वी कैन राइट हियर, ये दोनों का बेस सेम है, वो पहले हमें स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. सी हियर, इन दिस ट्रायंगल दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस, एंड देयरफॉर हियर दिस बेस इज सेम. इन ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle ADB, the base AB is same. अगर बेस सेम होगा तो हमारी सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी क्या बताती है? द रेशियो ऑफ द एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. तो वी कैन राइट देयरफॉर बाय द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स with same base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. यह हमें पूरा प्रॉपर्टी लिखना होगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमारा बेस सेम है. अगर बेस सेम है तो प्रॉपर्टी कौन सी है? प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स क्या बताती है? विथ सेम बेस इज इक्वल टू द रेशियो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट्स. तो वी कैन राइट हियर देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ADB is equal to, what are their bases? Base is same, and therefore their heights are, the height of first triangle ABC is BC and the second triangle is AD. Now what is this BC? BC is given, that is equal to 4, and this is 8, and which is nothing but it is half, or we can write that is equal to 1:2. You can write, but here actually asked this ratio, and therefore exactly अगर आपको दिया है यही है तो हमारा आंसर क्या होगा? This is equal to 1/2. अगर सिर्फ रेशियो बताते हैं तो इसमें दो केसेस हो सकते हैं. एक तो रेशियो वी कैन राइट इन दिस वे और इन दिस वे, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये टाइप नहीं आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली आपको यही क्वेश्चन पूछा था, यही आंसर लिखना होगा. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन.